Hey y'all, I got mom about the house, honey, and we went for a little walk around the lake. Honey, she was in a deep conversation with y'all, not even understanding that. I was gonna do a whole voiceover on this section of the video. She is so funny, y'all. Y'all absolutely love her. I appreciate y'all for just taking to my mommy. And then we did have the coldest water bottles with us. You can use GG Love at coldest.com to get 10% off your order. It was an absolutely amazing view out there at that lake, honey. One thing about fall is I love it and it loves me. While the weather is still good, try and get outside and enjoy it. It can really help with stress and anxiety management, help clear brain fog. You can get better sleep from it. Listen, just get out there. Just take a minute. You don't have to be out there alone, I promise. But it can really help you with happiness, even your self-confidence, and just balancing everything out within your system. So go do it. And then I want to hear about how you felt afterwards. Because we felt really good afterwards. You see us doing our thing. Do your dance, do your thing.